Have you ever wondered how massive crawler cranes get from one construction site to another? These machines can weigh well over 100,000 pounds, making them far too large to move like normal equipment. So transporting them requires careful planning, specialized trailers, and sometimes an entire fleet of trucks. Let's take a quick look at how it actually works. The first step is disassembly. Crawler cranes are simply too large and wide to travel on public roads in one piece. So crews break them down into major components like the boom sections, crawler tracks, counterweights, and the main body. Each part is separated so it can be safely loaded and transported without exceeding road weight limits. Once the crane is taken apart, the individual components are loaded onto specialized heavy haul trailers. Large sections like the crane body may travel on lowboy or multi-axle trailers, while boom segments and counterweights are loaded onto flatbed trucks. These trailers are designed to handle extreme weight while keeping the load balanced and secure. Before the convoy even hits the road, logistics teams plan the entire route. Oversized loads often require special permits, escort vehicles, and route surveys to avoid low bridges, narrow roads, or weight-restricted highways. This planning helps ensure the crane components arrive safely and legally at the next job site. During transport, every component must be carefully secured with chains, straps, and supports to prevent movement on the road. Weight distribution is also critical because even slight shifts could damage the equipment or create safety risks during transit. Professional heavy haul teams inspect the load before departure to make sure everything stays stable. Once the crane arrives, the final step is reassembly. The crawler base is positioned first, then the counterweights and boom sections are installed using assist cranes and lifting equipment. After safety checks and testing, the crawler crane is ready to start lifting on the new construction site. Transporting a crawler crane might look simple from the outside, but it's actually a complex process involving disassembly, heavy haul trucking, and precise reassembly. It's a perfect example of how modern logistics keeps massive construction projects moving. If you want to learn more about heavy equipment transport, check out the guide linked in the description.